Forget scribbling down complicated Wi-Fi passwords or spelling them out letter by letter excruciatingly. What if I told you this super fast, super secure way to get your friends online with just a few taps? In this video, we're going to show you 2 awesome ways to share your Wi-Fi password directly from your iPhone. No more fumbling, no more typos, just instant connection. Method number 1. First up, let's unlock the power of QR codes using your iPhone's password app. This method is brilliant because it works not only with iPhones and iPads, but also works with Android phones and other non-Apple devices that can scan QR codes. Before we dive in, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 18 or later. Here's how easy it is. Open the Passwords app on your iPhone. Tap on Wi-Fi. Find and tap your Wi-Fi network in the list. And now tap Show Network QR Code. Now have your friend open their camera app and simply point it at the QR code on your screen. A link for your Wi-Fi network will pop up. Have them tap it, then tap Join, and boom, they're connected. See? No more typing. Method number 2. Next, let's look at an even more seamless way to share your Wi-Fi password directly to another iPhone. This is incredibly quick and perfect for when both you and your friend have iPhones. For this to work, make sure both you and your friend have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on, your personal hotspot turned off, and each other's Apple account email addresses saved in your contacts. Ready? Let's connect. Have your friend open the Settings app on their phone, and then tap on your Wi-Fi network name to try and join it. Almost instantly, you'll get a notification on your iPhone. Just tap Share Password to confirm, and just like that, your friend is connected. It's truly that simple. Don't stop here. Unlock the full potential of your iPhone and activate iMessage. Check out our full guide to get you all set up.